I don't know if you have any general tips on trying to grow both the self-serve and the pickup and delivery business.
Well, I'm pretty big on doing some marketing, and a certain amount of money a month to doing ads on Google Business, on Yelp deals are also really popular. Having what I call happy hours during the week, where you can adjust the prices and you can drive people in on slow days in the middle of the week, you know, Wednesday or something like that, give it a little cute name. And let's see, giveaways are really good. I like to do those. And I have right now I have a big comforter one going on right now. A lot of people are putting their bedding and things and storing them away. And so I take advantage of that to get to do couponing and giveaways this time of year to drive people into the store. So it's a little online, and then traditional advertising and couponing and that type of thing, particularly on slow days of the week.
Yeah, I would say if you own a laundromat and you are not best friends with Google, you need to call your best friend and say, I'm replacing you with Google. So we have been playing very nice with Google for the last 15 years, and it's worked out really well for us. Google pretty much owns the internet, and so we make sure that our Google listings are highly visible. We do paid advertising through Google, and we do that per location. So the good thing about that is that if you have one store or you have 1,000 stores, you can target each market for every specific store by using Google. And so that's a very powerful tool. You want very good pictures inside and out with customers. Customers are great. They post their own pictures. They will leave you 5-star ratings, and they will leave you 1-star ratings because, you know, your neighbor is a Domino's and they left wanting pizza and they don't like it that you're next to Domino's and it made them hungry, you know. So you just have to accept all of that, but work to play very nice with Google. It will benefit you greatly. Geofencing, we have found, we use Kulari Media for the geofencing, and that's a very powerful tool. It's something that is data driven, so we can see the metrics and how it works out in real time, and actual results through that. And we don't ever change our pricing. We don't do any sort of price manipulation, but we give value by utilizing the payment system that we have created. And so we do double your money. And so we'll do that when we open a store. We do it the last 3 days of every year. And we give away a lot of laundry, a lot of free laundry, by allowing people to double their money. And so if someone comes in and they have a $10 bill, it becomes $20. We have people who come in and add $500. You know, being a coin store, I don't know of any quarter or any changers that accept $100 bills. And so having a card system allows you to do just that. You know, we have people who come in and add that much because they realize just the value of having that, able to use it in the future. And so we give them value that way without having to change our pricing. So there's no change of perceived value in what we're delivering to our customers.
Oh, that's a big sale, $500 on your laundry card.
Yep.
It's a lot of laundry. All right. I don't know, Andy, did you have anything to add marketing wise?
Marketing wise, yeah, locally, you know, like I said, we're in small towns. It's mostly repeat business, and we're on the main roads, and it's good signage. And look, you know, I am on Google and things like that, and whatever, but I don't do a lot of advertising. I'll admit, you know, it's been, you know, I'm a procrastinator, but maybe one day I will get a website. I have a name. I'm not, you know, so I don't do a lot of advertising, but that's just me.
Well, sometimes good old word of mouth works. So
yes, it isn't broken.